signs. She's secretly obsessed with you, even if she acts distant. The biggest mistake most men make is believing attraction always looks obvious. They think if a woman likes them, she will always text first, always show excitement, always make everything simple. But human emotions are rarely that simple. Sometimes the person thinking about you the most is the person trying the hardest not to show it. And this is where many men misunderstand everything. They sing, they chase, they panic, they demand answers. And without realizing it, they destroy the very attraction that was already growing. Why would someone who cares about you act distant? The answer reveals something most people never understand about your nature. And we'll come back to that in a moment. A man named Daniel learned this lesson at 42 years old. Disciplined, respected in his career. But when it came to relationships, he made one mistake repeatedly. He confused distance with rejection. Whenever a woman became quiet, he immediately tried harder. More messages, more explanations, more attention. He believed effort would fix everything. But instead, the opposite happened. The more he chased, few people pulled away. For years, he couldn't understand why, until he met someone who changed how he saw attraction. At first, their connection felt natural. Deep conversations, strong eye contact, shared humor, a rare emotional connection. Then suddenly, everything changed. Her messages became slower. Her energy became colder. She seemed less interested. Daniel thought, it's happening again. So his instinct told him to chase, but this time, he didn't. He waited, he observed, and what happened next surprised him. Because although her words became distant, her actions told a different story. She remembered small details from conversations weeks earlier. She noticed changes in his mood. She found small reasons to reconnect. She acted like she wasn't paying attention to everything. That's when Daniel realized something important. People reveal more through patterns than promises. And attraction is not only measured by words, it's measured by attention. Most men think distance always means someone doesn't care. They're wrong. Sometimes distance means someone is fighting emotions they don't know how to handle. Here's why. They are usually calm, neutral, consistent. But when emotions become intense, something different happens. Fear appears. The fear of rejection. The fear of losing control. The fear of becoming vulnerable. Maybe you've experienced this yourself. Maybe someone pulled away right when things seemed strongest. Maybe someone acted cold after a meaningful moment. I guess they never cared. But sometimes the truth is more complicated. Human beings don't only protect themselves from pain, feelings that make them vulnerable, because caring about someone means giving them emotional influence. And that scares people, especially people who have been hurt before. But remember this. Never confuse emotional understanding with chasing. This is where most men fail. They discover someone might care and immediately give away their power. They overtext. They overexplain. They seek reassurance. They turn attraction into pressure, and pressure destroys desire. A man who constantly chases sends one silent message. I need you to choose me before I can value myself. That is not confidence. That is dependency. Real confidence is calm. Real confidence observes. Real confidence does not beg. The right person should add to your peace, not become the source of it. The strongest attraction often happens when someone feels your presence, but also respects your independence. Because people value what is freely given, not what desperately follows them. And here is the truth. Many men don't want to hear. Sometimes the problem is not that she became distant. Sometimes the problem is that her distance exposed your insecurity. That is the moment everything changes, because now the lesson is no longer about her. It's about you. This is something the ancient Stoics understood deeply. Marcus Aurelius spent his life surrounded by people, power, attention, influence, yet he constantly reminded himself to remain in control of his own mind. Controls your peace. The Stoics never taught men to become cold. They taught men to become centered. There is a difference. A weak man pretends not to care. A strong man cares without losing himself. A weak man plays games. A strong man keeps his standards. A weak man chases validation. A strong man builds self-respect. And when a man reaches that level, everything about him changes. His energy changes. His decisions change. The way people see him changes. Because he is no longer begging to be chosen. He chooses to. So what are the real signs someone is deeply interested? Not games, not drama, not mixed signals alone. Look for patterns. Do they remember what matters to you? Do they return after creating distance? Do their actions show attention even when their words hide it? Do they make space for you in their life? Because real interest always leaves evidence, but never forget the most important lesson. Their interest does not determine your value. Your self-respect does. One day, you'll stop chasing replies. You'll stop analyzing every small action. You'll stop trying to force people to see your worth. You'll become calm enough to observe, strong enough to walk away, and wise enough to recognize real connection. Because the most attractive thing a man can develop is not the ability to make someone obsessed with him. It's the ability to remain himself, whether they choose him or not. If this message resonated with you, subscribe for more insights on human nature, psychology, and Stoic wisdom. And tell me in the comments, have you ever seen someone act distant, only to realize later they cared more than you thought?